IY project assignment number 2. Myself, Anmol Kumar Mishra, student of IIT KGP, 21EC30060 is my roll number. This is my second project, fire alarm system. Components required for this project. The first component we use the Arduino Uno board. This is very useful board for making this project. An LM35 temperature sensor, gas sensor, different ohm resistors, breadboard, LED lightning, light emitting diode, piezo buzzer, and jumper wires. And the software we use is a Thinkercad simulation software for this purpose. The circuit connection are as follows. Firstly, we need to connect the one line of the breadboard to the ground and the other to the power supply. This is done by the connecting 5-volt pin of the Arduino board to the one line connection pins on the breadboard. The other line of the breadboard is connected to ground terminal of Arduino board. These lines will be connected to the device. The temperature sensor has a 3-pin ground Vout to Vs supply. The Vs pin has a range of 4 to 20 volt is connected to power supply line of breadboard. The ground terminal of sensor is connected to ground line of the breadboard. The Vout terminal of temperature sensor is connected to one of the analog pin of the Arduino board, that is A1. Now let us learn how the connections are done with the gas sensor. The gas sensor has a 6 pins. 3 pins are the gas sensor directly connected to power supply line of the breadboard. Almost the other 3 pin of the sensor, one pin is connected to the analog pin of the Arduino board A0. The pin is in the middle is connected to ground line of the breadboard. The third pin of sensor is connected to resistor, then they are connected to ground line. The piezo buzzer is externally connected to the circuit. The ground pin of the buzzer is connected to the ground line of the breadboard. Another pin of the buzzer is connected to digital pin 7 of Arduino. Lastly, the LED is connected to Arduino directly. The cathode of LED is connected to GND pin of Arduino, and the anode of the LED is connected through the resistor to the digital pin 13 of the Arduino. That is our process. We code this program in such a way that we have given all the connections and components, and then we use the if and else condition. An if and else condition in which we set if the value is greater than 1000, the beep buzzer buzzes high, and if the value is less than 1000, the value remains buzzer remain low. And in the temperature case, if the temperature increases above 80 degrees Celsius, the LED glow very high, and otherwise, in all the cases, LED remains off or very low. And this we use by writing digital write. And if you use the serial of the print statement will print output received from the sensor. The temperature is printed first in terms of degrees Celsius. The gas of sensor output is printed consecutively. A delay of 1 second is given for the every output. That happens in the loop until the circuit is plugged off. This is our free fire alarm system. We can see in the Thinkercad software in which the light is flowing as the gas is in front of the gas sensor. This is the circuital diagram of fire alarm system as we is seen in this Thinkercad software. In this gas sensor, we can see the concentration of the smoke in front of the smoke gas sensor. Then in this case, the light glow high and the piezo buzzer buzzes very high. And we can see in the graph value, the value increases as we put the gas sensor in front of the gas smoke. And if we take the gas sensor, gas concentration away from the gas smoke sensor, the value got decreased. And the light gets off and piezo buzzer get off on the loop. Thank you.